Johar friends, in this video we will going to discuss the syllabus of GIS that comes under the skill enhancement course of BA Geography optional course. The syllabus is Geographical Information System, definition and its component, Global Positioning System, GPS, principle and its use. Third unit is GIS, data structure, type, spatial and non-spatial, raster and vector structure. Fourth unit is GIS data analysis, input, georeferencing, editing, output, and query, and overlays. Fifth unit application of GIS, land use mapping, urban sprawl analysis, forest monitoring. This is syllabus, and we move to the previous year questions that has been asked in 2019, जिसमें 3 आवर्स के टाइम थे, 50-60 मिनट्स के टाइम दिए गए थे, 4 क्वेश्चन करने थे. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. डिफाइन जियोग्राफिकल इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम, जीआईएस को डिफाइन करना है. ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के अंदर है, सब क्वेश्चन है जो कि शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन टाइप है, जो कि 5 क्वेश्चन है 3 मार्क्स के. तो ये बी सेकंड क्वेश्चन, इमिडिएट द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ जीपीएस रिसीवर. C. Write the merit of raster data structure. D. Georeferencing. E. What is land use data? Second question, describe the components of geographical information system, GIS का components. Explain the principle of global positioning system. Differentiate the spatial and non-spatial data. Describe the method of data input in GIS format. Sixth, evaluate the role of GIS in forest monitoring. Seventh, write the essay on GIS application. तो ये 2020 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन किसी 4 को करना था. In 2020 questions that is conducted online, that's why all 50 questions, all 100 questions are objective in form. Each question contain 2 marks. Total 50 questions हैं, 2 marks के हर एक question. Data that describe the geometry of spatial data features are called. The vector data model use point and xy coordinate to construct the spatial feature. A point may be also called father of GIS. Which of the following statement is true about the capabilities of GIS? Spatial data is stored in the computer by using. How many components are there in geographical information system? How many satellites are there in a GPS constellation? How does take GPS satellite to the orbit of the Earth? Full form of IRNSS is. Which of the following not correctly matched? जीपीएस सिस्टम दिए गए हैं डिफरेंट कंट्रीज के, उसको मैच करना है. मास्टर कंट्रोल स्टेशन ऑफ जीपीएस लोकेटेड नियर. 13 क्वेश्चन है, हाउ मेनी सैटेलाइट्स आर नीडेड बाय जीपीएस इन 3D स्पेस ऑफ द अर्थ? आंसर इज ऑलमोस्ट 4. 14, in which orbit the global positioning systems are? 15, principle of GIS GPS positioning is. 16, which of the following is used to shaping the velocity of the satellite orbit? 17th, GPS or satellite orbit on the 6 separate planes, all inclined at the. GPS satellite are generating which of type of signals? How do DGPS differ from GPS? In geographical coordinate system, 1 degree at the equator is equivalent to. Data desk describe the geometry of a spatial data feature is called. Which of the following statement is true about the capabilities of GIS? Spatial data we mean data that has. 24, what is metadata? Data about data. Answer. The shape of the pixel of an image can be. In remote sensing, what is the first and the foremost step of the image processing? The purpose of georeferencing is to intensity level of 8-bit image is type of resembling where the intensity of 4 neighbor pixel is used to obtain the intensity. A new location is called. 30th question है associated with the each pixel a number is known as GCP is how many GCP. The first one is GCP is how many GCP will be required to spatial information imaging 3D order polynomial function. What is georeferencing? Which of the following, which among these can be used in GCP from an image? 31st one is which of the following is geometric errors of the satellite sensor is caused by the systematic distortion. TIN stand for major difference between vector and raster data models. How many attributes vector data can have? How many basic kinds of attributes so far known as GIS domains? Nominal attributes are how many attributes raster data unit can have? Which database model is mostly commonly used in GIS? There are two main models of scanning to require the multispectral image data are a pixel is of an image is having 30 meter resolution. How much ground area it would cover? The user can use GIS to make a forest feature can be represented in the large scale map using which of the following is correct about the GIS? The styding is a method adapted to generate 49 attitudinal distance of geostationary satellite from the earth is about RMSE stand for. तो ये था हमारा 2020 का क्वेश्चन. We are working on the videos, lecture videos of GIS and remote sensing. और वो जल्द remote sensing and GIS के lectures लेकर आएंगे आपके लिए. तो stay tuned with us. Please subscribe, like and share this video.